What's up, everybody? Justin with the Away in the Wilderness channel. Today, I want to talk to you guys about a really cool way to carry your cordage in the woods. So this is the Ready Rope Elite by Atwood Rope. And I think that this is a very cool and a very unique item for several reasons. So obviously, everybody's going to have some kind of cordage in any of their packs, or at least they should. But I don't think a lot of people put much thought into the way they carry that. Typically, it'll just be in a roll or it'll be hanked up or something like that. And it doesn't add much to your kit by way of versatility. Obviously, cordage in itself is a very versatile item. You can do a lot of things with it. But I think carrying it in something like this just adds a little bit more versatility to your kit. And the first thing that I think is really cool, and I think that is a really cool touch and adds a little bit to your kit, is this small little compartment here on the top. It's not very big, but it does give you an option to carry a few small items that could help you in a survival situation or just some convenience items. What I have in mind, or what I keep in mind, are a couple split shots. I'll just toss those right in there. I also keep three small hooks, the smallest one right here, and I'm not exactly sure what size these are, but just three small hooks, and that just gives me just a small survival fishing kit. The other thing that I keep in there is just a small needle, which also converts this into a small repair kit, and I'll show you why here in just a second. But in the compartment, I also keep three strike anywhere matches. I keep a Bic lighter, a mini Bic lighter. A full-size would fit in here, but it's going to take up the majority of the compartment. So I think it's better just to throw in one of the minis. And then next to that, I can keep a small fire plug. And this is a fire plug by Blackbeard Fire Starters. So all those things fit in there nice and convenient. That compartment just has a hinge over here on the side. Snap that and it's pretty secure. It's not going to open up on you. And it gives you just a small emergency uh, survival kit, whatever you want to call it, repair kit, like I said. And with that needle in there, one of the other things that I've done is, as you can see down here on the bottom, uh, I have added some artificial sinew. So I could use it, and I kind of just wrapped it around this corner here. And I could use that with that needle to repair items if need be in the field. One of the other really cool features about this Ready Rope is that it has a built-in razor blade. So if you open up this hinge here, it'll expose this little slot. And as you can see, there is a razor blade actually in there. So all you have to do is feed your cordage through here, pull against it, and you don't have to worry about getting your knife out or anything like that. It's all built in. And with that lighter, you can seal up the ends of your cordage when you're done, so it's all right there in one nice convenient kit. Now this Ready Rope Elite comes with 50 feet of 550 paracord, and there are several options. I went with the black reflective paracord, but there are other options. They have neon options, some more high visibility, or I believe you could just get some black or some solid colors if you want. There's multiple options on the website for you. I believe this Ready Rope Elite at the time of filming is actually on sale on the website for, I believe, $18.99 if I remember correctly. But it's right around $20 anyway. And I will actually leave a link in the description box below. If you wanted to use my coupon code, you could actually go get a discount on this Ready Rope Elite. And I think this is a really cool, versatile item to add to your kit. So if you guys want to go check it out, check out the link in the description box. All right, so thanks for joining me out here today, guys, for this quick, short video. I've really been tinkering a lot lately with these small micro survival kits and things like that. So when Ready Rope reached out to me, I thought that this would be a really cool fit for the channel and just kind of something that I've been interested in anyway. And I think that these little micro kits like this, they do add a lot of versatility to your pack. And so, yeah, anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you guys. I really appreciate all of the support, guys. The channel just hit 3,000 subscribers, and I greatly appreciate it. If you would, hit the like and subscribe button on this video, and let me know what you think about this Ready Rope Elite down in the comments section. God bless. See you guys on the next video.